Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we will create a VBA code, but let's think about it on a case study. So we have some problem, and then we have some proposed solution with this code. So let's start from the beginning. So this case study is automatic inventory shortage reports. Our problem statement is: in a supply chain environment, warehouse managers need to monitor stock level daily. They must identify items that are below and safety stock level and generate a report. Manually checking items are time consuming and error prone. Okay, so we know where the problem is, and then the proposal solution. So in our solution, we have a VBA macro. We'll automate the process by scanning multiple sheets for stock data, then it's starting item with stock below safety levels, then it's compiling the information into a single report, and formatting and saving report automatically. Okay, then jump to the VBA code. We'll start with the name of our code, so generate inventory report. Then we have the variables WS source as worksheet, WC report as worksheet, last row as long, report row as long, and RNG range as range. Step number one is to create a clear and report sheet. On error sundo, so we're starting with, in case there is any error, we'll set WS report in this workbook, and sheet I put inventory report. Then if the report sheet does not exist, create a new one. If the sheet exists, clear previous report and to avoid duplication. Okay, and we have some errors. If any errors, we have the on error resume next, and then we'll go to 0. So we are just changing it here. Then we're setting headers row with column name for clarity. So for we create column for the item names, column for current stock level, column for safety stock threshold, then column for warehouse identification, then making headers below, making header bold for better visibility, and start entering data from the second row, because in first we have some headers. Step number 2 is to loop through each sheet and extract data. So we are ignoring the report sheet itself to prevent redundant processing. Then we are checking the WS source in the case there is no inventory report. So for different names than inventory report, we are determining the last row of the data in the sheet to optimize processing. Then we are selecting relevant data in the range and starting our next loop for each cell, and then next cell. In this loop, we will check in the stock is below safety stock level to flag shortages. Then we are copying item information into report to further analysis. We are copying item name, current stock level, safety stock level, identify which warehouse, and move to the next row in the report. So report row +1, we're moving to the next one. Then we have end if, so we're finishing end if statement. We're going to next cell and changing end if. Okay. Step number 3 and the last one in this macro is applying formatting and save report. So we're setting style font and size for readability. Then we auto adjust column weights for better readability, AD column. We are defining the path for saving the report to a centralized location. I put like dim file path as string, and then in file path I put reports, daily inventory reports, and format of Excel. Then we are saving the workbook with a generated report to ensure availability. So this workbook save as and file path. File path. Last thing in this whole macro is notify the user that process has been successfully completed. Okay, so message box, inventory report generated successfully, report statement. Okay, and that should be it for this macro and for this case study. Thank you for watching.